Hey, this is Leslie with Comfortable Shoes Studio, and this is art journaling number 14, stapling and folding pocket notebooks. Here I've got a jig along with a long reach stapler that I use to staple my pocket notebook blanks. So this is 10 sheets of a nicer 24-pound paper along with some printing waste. These are sometimes called dead prints or make ready, depending on who you talk to. And I just fold along the staples and then use a bone folder to make that crease nice and tight. And I'm just going through and you can see how it's done. I crease a couple times with the bone folder on each side, fold along those staples, and boom. So what you do in printmaking when you're doing letterpress is you save all of your sort of misprints or your test prints, all that stuff as you're making things ready for your final prints. You save it because paper is expensive, and then you test your next prints and your next prints and your next prints on top of it until the paper is pretty much just completely covered in ink, which means it's pretty interesting. There's a lot there. There's a lot of stuff going on in those prints. I, in particular, find them pretty beautiful. Oftentimes, I'll do a opaque white or silver print with the shop name on it, and we use those as a giveaway to donors where I work. I cannot sell them. I mean, I probably could, but that wouldn't be ethical because I don't pay for the paper, the staples, or even my time in folding them. I get paid for that through work, and yeah, and just some simple pocket notebooks here. Pretty simple process. I do a lot of them at once. Each one of these folded paper bundles will make 2 notebooks. Um, yeah, I found some old typewriter paper um, in the building and decided to make some notebooks out of it. It's really nice with fountain pens. Very thin though, it's 16 pound. I had to separate it because I didn't realize the glue hadn't been separated at the top, caused some bubbling. So those will stay in house. We won't give those away. But it's really cool. These things make me super happy. They're just a short one for today. So anyway, just want to take a moment and thank everyone who has been watching my videos, who's been hitting that like button, people who've subscribed, and especially for people who've left comments. It's like the best thing is like seeing people respond to these videos, and that's awesome. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and make it awkward and say if you want to support me, you can go over to my Ko-fi and buy me a coffee. Thanks, everyone. Bye.